Good evening, students. Next topic, salt hydrolysis. Please take page number 21 in second volume. The next topic is salt analysis, page number 21 in second volume. First, what do you mean by salt? An acid react with base means it will produce salt and water. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Acid react with base means salt and water is produced. Acid react with base means it will produce salt and water. So this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Salt completely dissociate in aqueous solutions to give the air constituent ions. The ions so produced are hydrated in water. In certain cases, the cation and anion are both react with water, and the reaction is called as salt hydrolysis. Salt completely dissociate in aqueous solutions to give their constituent ions. The ions so produced are hydrated in water, that is reacted with the water. In certain cases, cation and anion are both react with water, and the reaction is called as salt hydrolysis. So define salt hydrolysis means you have to write from here to here. This salt hydrolysis contains 4 headings, 4 types. First one, hydrolysis of salt of which is produced from strong acid and strong base. Hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and strong base. That means we are going to hydrolyze the salt which is produced from strong acid and strong base. Second heading, here also we are going to hydrolysis of salt, the salt which is produced from weak acid and strong base. Hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. And fourth heading, here also we are going to hydrolysis the salt which is produced from weak acid and weak base. So 4 headings are given here. So we will see one by one. Take first one, hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and strong base. For this, take this reaction as example. Strong acid. First, what do you mean by strong acid? Acid means which one donate H plus means that one is called as acid. Which one gives more number of H plus means that is called as strong acids. Completely ionized means strong acid. Partially ionized means weak acids. Like that, strong base means what? Which one gives OH minus means that one is called as base. Strong base means it will give more number of OH minus. We can tell completely ionized means strong. Take an example. NaOH is a strong base. It will split up into Na plus and OH minus. HNO3 is a strong acid. This is also ionized like H plus and NO3 minus only. This H plus take this OH minus means water is removed. This Na plus take this NO3 means NaNO3 sodium nitrate salt is produced. So this is the salt produced from the reactions of strong base and strong acids. We are going to hydrolyze this salt only. Generally salt will completely ionized, so it will give Na plus and NO3 minus. Like that, water is also ionized but partially, so only equilibrium symbol is given. So water will split up into H plus and OH minus. So in this reaction, the number of concentration of number of H plus is equal to number of OH minus, that is concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus, because one water molecule produce equal number of H plus and OH minus, that is 1 H plus and 1 OH minus. So equal number of H plus and OH minus only produced from water. So concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus. Concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus. This is strong acid. After losing H plus, this NO3 minus is formed. This is strong acid, this is conjugate base. The conjugate base produced from strong acid is weak. This is base, after losing OH minus Na plus is formed. So, this Na plus is produced from NaOH. This is strong, after losing OH minus Na plus is formed, that is weak. So, this conjugate base is weak, and conjugate acid, this is also weak. Weak means there is no tendency to react with water, that is both Na plus and NO3 minus both are having no tendency to react with water. So, that only given here. NO3 minus is a conjugate base of strong acid, and it has a tendency, no tendency to react with H plus ion. Like that, Na plus is a conjugate acid of strong base, so it has no tendency to react with OH minus. It means that there is no hydrolysis takes place. No hydrolysis takes place means concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus, pH is maintained, therefore the solution is neutral. So, first case hydrolysis of salt which is produced from strong acid and strong base. For strong acid, please take HNO3. For strong base, NaOH. Both are reactor means salt and water is produced. Here which salt is produced? NaNO3. If your hydrolysis this salt means what solutions you will get? Neutral solutions you will get. This is the answer. How can we tell neutral solutions will get? Please follow. This NaNO3, Na plus and NO3 minus. This is the salt. You must know that salt is completely ionized. So, NaNO3 gives Na plus and NO3 minus. So, it will ionize completely. Hydrolysis means addition of water. Water will also gives H plus and OH minus ion. Salt will give completely ionized Na plus and NO3 minus, both are obtained. Here we are going to hydrolysis of salt only. Hydrolysis means addition of water only. So, if you are adding water to this salt means salt will give these two ions. Water, if you are adding water means these two ions are mixed. We are expecting what products will obtain? NaOH and HNO3, but there is no hydrolysis takes place because the conjugate base of strong acid is weak. Conjugate acid of strong base is also weak. Weak means there is no tendency to react with H plus. This ion, there is no tendency to react with OH minus. So, there is no reaction takes place means the pH is maintained as it is. Here which pH is maintained? Already it is in neutral because H plus is equal to OH minus. The number of H plus and OH minus ion produced from water, that is equal, that is neutral. So, there is no hydrolysis takes place means you will get the final solution as a neutral solution. So, if your hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and strong base means you will get the final solution neutral solutions, that is all. Second heading, here also we are going to hydrolysis the salt only, but which salt? Which is produced from reactions of weak acid and strong base. For weak acid, the example is acetic acid. For strong acid, example is NaOH. This hydrogen takes this OH means water is produced, remaining CH3COO Na. So, weak acid, acetic acid and strong base NaOH both are reactor means water is removed and the remaining is CH3COO Na. This is the salt. we are going to hydrolyze the salt only, which is produced from the reactions of weak acid and strong base. So, this salt only produced from the reactions of weak acid and strong base. We are going to hydrolyze this salt only, CH3COO Na. Already you know the salt is completely ionized, so you will get CH3COO minus and Na plus. Conjugate base of CH3CO minus and Na plus. Conjugate base of weak acid is strong. So, it has a tendency to react with H plus. Conjugate acid of strong base is weak. So, it has a no tendency to react with OH minus. So, the CH3CO minus only having the tendency to react with water. So, CH3CO minus only reacted with water means you will get CH3COOH plus OH minus. That is CH3CO minus take H plus means form CH3COOH. The remaining group is OH minus. In this reaction, OH minus is produced. So, OH minus is produced means OH minus concentration only greater than H plus, because in this reaction OH only produced, so that concentration only is greater than H plus. So, the solution is basic. If OH minus concentration is greater means the resultant solution is basic due to the hydrolysis, and pH is greater than 7. Already you know about pH scale 0 to 14. Middle number 7, this is neutral. Less than 7 means acid, greater than 7 means base. Here OH minus concentration is only greater, that is basic. Base means the value is present between greater than 7. See, that only given here. Consider the reactions between the sodium hydroxide and acetic acids. Both are reacted means salt and water is produced. Salt will give completely ionized means CH3CO minus and Na plus. So, this is the conjugate base of weak acid. Conjugate, so both are reacted, conjugate base of weak acid, that is strong, so it has a tendency to react with H plus, and conjugate acid of weak base, conjugate acid of strong base is weak. Conjugate acid of strong base is weak. So, weak means there is no tendency to react with the OH minus. So, there is no reaction between Na plus and water. So, this only react with water, that is CH3CO minus only react with water means you will get CH3COH and OH minus. So, in this reaction OH minus is produced, so the concentration of OH minus is greater. So, concentration of OH is greater means the resultant solution is basic. If the solution is basic means the pH value is greater than 7. That's all. Remaining we will see in our next video. Thank you.